All right, boys and girls, for activity number 2, you are going to read or have an adult or older sibling read these riddles to you and then find the shape tool or draw the shape that the riddle is describing. So this first riddle is the same one we did in the previous activity. Paul draws a plain shape. It has 3 sides. The sides have straight lines. What shape does Paul draw? And we figured out it was a triangle. So if you click these 3 dots and the shape, you can go find a triangle. And we're just going to put it right beside the riddle it belongs to. Okay? And then you're going to have them read, or you read the next one. Lainey draws a plain shape. The shape has 4 sides. It is not a square. What could the shape be? So remember, there are a couple of shapes that have 4 sides, and there are some that is not a square. So there could be different options here. So if I look at my shapes here, let's see, it has 4 sides, but not a square. I could pick the rhombus. I could pick the trapezoid. I could pick a rectangle. So I have different options. So you get to choose which one you want to put for this riddle. And then you're going to read the next 2 riddles and place the shape you think it is beside the riddle. Remember, before you begin, click the microphone button so we can see and hear your work. Also, when you're done, click the green check to send it to your teacher.